So let's go ahead and discuss how much a custom WordPress theme really costs. Explaining the cost of a custom WordPress theme used to be more complicated than it is today. Previously, you couldn't give exact numbers because there are way too many factors to consider. However, as technology has changed, building themes is easier even for beginners. With that said, let's look at how much a pre-built WordPress theme costs first. Pre-built WordPress themes come in different types and prices. Some themes are free, so you don't have to pay anything to use them. These are great if you're just starting out on a tight budget. However, the quality and support might not be as good as the ones you pay for, and they're not custom made. Then there are low-cost themes, usually costing between $20 and $60. They're a step up from free themes and typically come with some nice features and support if you need help. Lastly are premium themes, which can cost anywhere from $60 to $200 or even more. These themes have many advanced features and design options and usually come with excellent support. They're often better for SEO and website speed, and sometimes they come with extra plugins that you don't have to pay more for. The downside to pre-built themes is they're not unique to your business. While you can customize them to some extent, you can't tailor them from the ground up to meet your needs. So let's look at another option. What's the cost of a custom WordPress theme builder? With the advent of drag and drop WordPress page builders, the cost of building a custom WordPress theme is much lower and easier to explain. For example, SeedProd, one of the best WordPress website builders and landing page plugins, offers a WordPress theme builder feature. This feature is available in its Pro plan starting at $199.50 per year. With this premium plugin, you can create a custom WordPress theme yourself without touching a single line of code. And if you add the price of managed WordPress hosting, a domain name, and an SSL certificate for an e-commerce website, the cost of a custom WordPress theme is under $500. Moreover, even some agencies and freelancers use drag and drop page builders to create custom WordPress themes. So why not just skip the middle person and just use it yourself? Or if you are an agency and freelancer, then maybe this is a great option for you as well to use. Because plugins like SeedProd allow them to save and export themes, they can make their own starter packs. This makes it much easier and faster to customize themes for different client needs, ultimately improving their workflow. Here's a quick pro tip. If you're looking for a good WordPress host, we recommend Bluehost, which comes with a free domain for the first year and more. If you'd like to get started with SeedProd, please visit seedprod.com or click the link in the description below and check out these videos. Our YouTube channel is packed full of SeedProd videos to help you get the most out of it. And we also have a fantastic blog that you can find on seedprod.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.